The following day.
What is up, you beautiful people? Today what is up is me, Tycoon, and Dad will be competing in a very competitive. I don't know if it's very competitive, but it's competitive. It's competitive shooting. It's like we're gonna be shooting some guns competitively, which is kind of scary. I had that much practice, so yeah. All right, gonna have breakfast with my fam, and then head on to the range. See you there. Tycoon bro, what are we doing today, buddy?
Gratata.
I've met my We've arrived at the shooting range. A lot of experienced shooters. We're just gonna do our best, honestly. We're just gonna do our best.
Obviously, the more beautiful one.
More beautiful. No, not you. Not you.
Nahulog yung magazine. Chase Pag, nahulog! Nahulog! Magasgas ang puso.
Oy, hulog.
Oh, come on!
Good.
Stand by! $94.8 ito. Kasi ako yung mukha.
Tycoon, go.
Hindi ako na may magas.
Tycoon's about to do a really long course.
Ready? Stand by.
Currently 5 p.m. Just finished shooting. We just finished shooting all day. Shut up, Taekwondo. It's 5. We just finished shooting. Now go back home. Probably just gonna hang out with some friends later tonight because tomorrow we go back to Manila after lunch. So yeah, today was really fun. Taekwondo did some nice courses. I didn't beat Taekwondo. I beat him once. Look at this guy. Hey, Taekwondo bro. What's up, man? You don't watch your videos. And Hans here got to shoot an M22 before me and Taekwondo.
Actually, you never.
It was fun. It was a fun day. For the vlog. Can I go vlog?
Nag-vlog ka na?
My YouTube. Zero. Boy. So, look who walked into the cafe. Kita lagi yapon.
Nagbabay na, tapos
Nagbabay.
lagi ako.
I'll just say cargo.
Para sa meron fair number.
By touching, you will get. Yeah, it's a rat hand.
Mr. Splinter.
So right now we're in Paranas, where Mom was actually born. Mom was born and grew up in Paranas. Paranas is in midway between Catbalogan and Tacloban. Tacloban's where Lucky Ganaban lives, and Kuya Mark Ganaban lives. And Catbalogan is of course where me and Taekwondo over there. We're born in it, and that's where we grew up too. So plan is today we go to Tacloban, we sleep there for 1 day, then we go to Manila. After that we stay there for 5 days. So everyone knows Manila in the Philippines, right? That's like the main place in the Philippines, even though I don't like it there because it's too crowded. There's too many people there, and there's traffic 24/7, and the air feels heavy. It's too hot. I'm more of a province kid. So that's the plan right now, and yeah.
Okay, may nagtuturo ni mo po-check up.
Hey, just sit in.
May
Hello.
Okay, so right now we're at Lola's house. That translates for grandmother's house. There's dogs there. So I'm gonna look through some pictures that they have on here. First off is yours truly, Adrian Dano. There's Taikon. There's Hans Silva. And there's Grandpa. And then Lola. Grandma Deli, and then Grandpa Totre. Ate Reina and Ate Chick's also in Winnipeg. She's in Winnipeg. No. Bye guys. Okay. Bye guys. Bye. So this is Lola's house here in Paranas. We used to come here a lot when we were kids. Really happy place, but honestly, not gonna lie, a lot of things have changed, you know. Bye bye. This place might look familiar because this is the place where we did the give back to the community thing. That's my auntie. This is where we did the give back to the community, where we gave food away to those in need. So yeah. So just left the Pranas houses. Now we're heading to a cemetery. Now this cemetery is where my our Lola Deli and Lola Totri are currently right now. They are Right there. Right there. That's. Here's Lola. Adelaida D. Salazar. We also call her Lola Deli. Passed away 2014. And here is Lolo. Diborsio El Salazar. Passed away 2011. We also call him Lolo Totre. Col. Col.
Oy! Pwede ka dito iba. Sumakay ito, ano?
We're gonna offer a quick prayer and then head on away to Tacloban. So I probably won't vlog till we get there. You'll see Lucky and Kuya Mark and them. So yeah, 3, 2, 1. We have arrived at Tacloban, Leyte. It's nice. Say hi.
Ay, wala ka wala kaingay.
Hans is currently wearing my football jacket.
Naspak siya?
Football. I'm here next year, right, Hans? Next year. So we're at the superstore right now. Look at this. Oh, heaven, baby, heaven ice cream.
Hi guys, I'm taking over his channel because he's bad at vlogging.
Hey, stop that.
Now he's just trying to find.
Let's get it. Arrived. Dicey. She's back.
Ano? My stomach is not hurting anymore.
She's okay. And I.
Is there 2 spells? Could I have one?
Okay, we just finished up with Robinsons. Claire. Finished up with Robinsons. Now we're on the way to the Ganaban residence. Everybody. 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 Ah. Daisy. Bye-bye.
I'm not the smallest anymore.
We have now arrived at the Ganaban residence. You have seen this.
You said that last time we arrived here.
I know.
I know.
Yeah. Hans, leave me alone, okay? Look who decided to show up, Hanson News. Look. Ah, it's Mime and Shadow. Ah.
Look, they're wagging their tail.
Oh my god, you guys are so energetic. God. Hello. Whoa. Look like my penguin. Jacket.
Hello.
Nasakit ka?
No,
Are you sick?
no, it's like that because he has to study for exams tomorrow.
Ah.
Monday.
Loser. Goes to school. So, plan is we are sleeping here at the Ganaban residence. Pia Mark Ganaban. Yeah, so sleep here. Wake up really early in the morning for a flight to Manila. See you in Manila.